Hello, good morning. Now we are going to teach you for new members how to operate your IMG portal or your IMG website. So we are going to www.img-corp.net. So here, when you open your portal, it will be like this. So you need to enter your agent code and your password. So saan po yan makikita? Sa email niyo. They will send it to you upon once you paid already your IMG registration. So here, this is the home page. So ito po yung home page nyo. You can see empty po yan. So you can click on that and then put your picture. So makikita nyo din dyan yung sponsor nyo kung sino yung saan ka nag-join and the accreditation. So this is up to December 31, 2020. So here, ito yung mga IMG benefits. So Soldivo Funds, Vision Care, Fidelity Life, your Kaiser. This is your e-card. So you can download this and print. So if gusto niyo magpa-check up, so ganyan. So this is Fidelity Life. So to view your policy, i-click nyo lang yan. And then you have to put your signatures, your details, and then your beneficiary. So you are already covered for 50,000 pesos. And then for your Everest, so i-present lang po yung IMG ID. And then this is Manila Bankers. So for new members, you're already have an insurance of 100,000. So for you, if you are marketing directors, SMDs, I think it's SMDs and up, you will have 200,000 insurance already. So this is your IMG Dominate tool. Very good for the business. And then this is your Kaiser International. So Kaiser is a short-term, long-term, and your investment and life insurance. So here also is the tools kung saan mo gusto pupunta. So IMG Kiosk, OPMS, eJoin, MyTrade, so ganyan. So here, sa updates, we have events, yung mga events ng IMG. So for example, the conventions this coming June and October. So you can join that one. So may bayad po yan. And then, what's new? So, ito po yung mga promos. So, for example, yung Trainers Academy. So, the promo where you can have until May 15 na mag-join ka with or yung mga prospects or guests mo nag-join. So, it's double points. So, ganyan. And then, Trainers Academy. If you have your personal join and kumuha ng Kaiser or MB Life within 30 days and financial literacy run. So ito po yung mga promo. So you can check it out. And then of course our training schedules. Training schedules, dyan po yung mga training natin. So we have, for now, we do webinar because of the pandemic. It's lockdown, so everything is online. So every day we have leaders call from Monday to Friday. That's 9:30 a.m. So in the UK, it's 2:30 a.m. So we wake up in the morning, get ready, naka-IMG t-shirt po tayo, and then we have to face the camera or the video, i-open po natin, and then we can join the leaders call. So financially literacy Saturday workshop. So every Saturday, may workshop po tayo. We have workshops 1 to 5. Yan po yung nasa libro, yung black and white na book. Then financial literacy night, this will be announced. It will be continued after the lockdown. So here as well sa reports, so makikita mo dyan yung mga ka-team mo. So kung sino yung nag-join sa'yo within this month, last year, so anytime makikita mo yan. So you just have to click on it and then yung mga ito, personal join mo. So makikita, i-generate report mo lang dyan. So sa mga members mo, makikita mo din. So, sa base shop mo, for SMDs, down, so makikita mo yan. And then, through 1st through 6, so mga SMDs mo, generation SMDs. So, here as well is your production report. So, yung production report is about yung sino kumuha ng Kaiser and most 18. So, makikita mo dyan for your personal, sa base shops mo, so ganun din. And then, the very important one is your commission statements. So, magkano yung kita mo every week. So, weekly po yan. So, nakapost yan up to 8. So, 8 na So, you can check how much you have already. So, ganun. And then, we'll go through resources. So, dito naman yung mga, as a new member, so usually, may mga kit ka. Kasi nag-join ka, di ba? So, may mga kit ka. And then, you also have partner's kit. But for now, we do it online. Kasi, hindi mo naman yan madala every time, all the time na may client ka or nakasakay ka sa bus. So, you can just show it even sa mobile mo. So, palagi mo naman dala yung mobile mo so you can show it to your guests or prospects. Or kung gusto mo, with your iPad, laptop, kasi mas malaki, mas kita. So, here, ito yung binibigay ni IMG dati. But now, we do it sa online na. And then here are the workbook. This is the workbook na sinasabi namin na every Saturday, ito yung ginagawa. So, it's for workbook 1 to 5. Then this is the book, Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So, maganda basahin din to. So, if you read this book, nandyan yung answer sa workbook. And then this is the top membership benefits. So, marami tayong membership benefits. So, you can check it out. And then, membership benefit checklist. So, bakit ka nag-join ng IMG? Is it because gusto mo mag-mutual fund, kumuha ng Kaiser, most 18, or gusto mo mag-business or travel the world? Diba? Maganda yun. Here are the tools. So, yung tools, ito, makikita mo dyan. And then, you can also check it down here sa homepage natin. So, yun yung nasa baba ng page. So, I am e-app. If may gustong mag-join, we'll just wait for it to download. So, balik tayo sa homepage. So, dito sa baba, ito yung nasa tools. So, ito yung e-app. If may nag-join, may mag-process sa magkukuha ng mga Kaiser or most. Ito naman IMG Kiosk, ito yung ipaprocess na papers sa office, like sa Manila, sa Makati, or sa Cebu. So, ito naman, IMG Corporate Site, yung about IMG, official IMG Corporate Site. Membership kit, so as a member, kung ano yung mga members kits, so like the books, and then here, OPMS, ito din yung your Kaiser health products. So, makikita mo dyan, log in mo yung email address mo and then your password. So, you will receive it sa email mo. IMG Kiosk 2. So, mostly international, ito yung gamit talaga. IMG Kiosk 2. So, here, everything. E-app, e-join, lahat. You can use the IMG Kiosk too. So, IMG Vault apps, at the moment, hindi siya ginagamit. And then, Partners Kit. So, we have here yung Kaiser, yung mga partners benefits natin. So, here, kung paano mag-join ng IMG. So, here, if may mag-join sa'yo, so punta ka ng e-join. And here is My Trade. Yung My Trade naman is sino yung gustong mag-invest ng stock market. So, you can fill up the form, you can fill it online, but you have to send it sa Pilipinas within 1 month with the fresh 3 signatures. And here is the green jacket, so exclusive only for green jacket members. Here is our goal is to be part of the 10 million people na ma-educate natin by the year 2025. So help us with our movement na we can ma-reach natin yung goal na 10 million Filipinos na financially educated. So if you're already watching this video, please join us with our movement and sign in. So here, you have to contact us. So if may mga problema, contact support and it will give you a ticket. So when you contact the support, you need to copy or CC your sponsor and then your SMD and also your CEO para din they can help you with the follow-up. So contact information and then follow IMG official page on the Facebook as well. I know a lot of us have IMG page on our Facebook, but you can also follow the official IMG here, and then you can see your profile. You can print your ID. You can change your password. Diba may binibigay na si IMG na password, but you can change your password to your personal password, and then you can log out. That's all for now. Thank you and see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.